28 July, World Nature Conservation Day. Stress the need for preserving a healthy environment and natural resources to maintain a stable and healthy society. Saving plants and animals that face the threat of extinction is one of the primary goals of World Nature Conservation Day. Also, the celebrations emphasize keeping the various components of nature such as flora, fauna, energy resources, soil, water, and air intact. World Nature Conservation Day can be observed by cutting down on plastic use, check e-waste, save water. Why we love nature? Because extinction is happening on a massive scale. More reserves are needed. Wildlife population size have greatly declined. Freshwater species are declining the faster. World Nature Conservation Day is important because it reminds us to stay mindful, it protects the environment, it's a chance to make a real impact. We have to save one of the natural resources, that is water, as electricity is produced with the help of water also. India is the third largest producer of electricity in the world. The national electric grid in India has an installed capacity of 403.759 GW as of 30th June 2022. Renewable power plants, which also include large hydroelectric plants, constitute 39.2% of the total installed capacity. In India, power is generated from conventional thermal, nuclear, and hydro, and renewable sources, wind, solar, biomass, etc. However, major production of electricity is achieved through coal, a thermal power plant, which is around 75% of the total power generation. India's hydroelectric power potential is estimated at 1,48,700 megawatt at 60% load factor. In the fiscal year 2019-20, the total hydroelectric power generated in India was 156 TWh with an average capacity factor of 38.71%.